Distinguished colleagues, researchers, policymakers, innovators, and brilliant minds from around the world, good morning. Every era is defined by the question it dares to ask. Today, one question stands at the heart of a global transformation. How do we design a future where people, technology, society, and the planet evolve in a perfect harmony? We live in an age of extraordinary acceleration. Technology grows more intelligent, systems grow more interconnected, innovation expands at remarkable scale. Across the world, imbalance still persists. Growth and regeneration, progress and responsibility, speed and wisdom. Sustainability has guided global thinking for decades. A further step now emerges, systems that move beyond maintenance into regeneration. This vision fits into Society 6, a living framework where planetary stewardship, societal well-being, organizational resilience, and human development operate in one interconnected system. Society 6 centers on one principle, where civilizations replacing fragmented development. Civilizations that learn continuously, adapt responsibly, and evolve across generations. This work represents more than collaboration. It represents a constellation of 15 researchers across 12 countries and 4 continents. Each perspective introduced a distinct lens. Together, these perspectives formed a unified intelligence network. This structure mirrors Society 6. Diversity transforms into strength, knowledge transforms into connection, and connection transforms into collective intelligence. This research reflects that principle in action. Humanity operates with game-changing knowledge, data, and technological capability in sustainability. Global systems continue to experience escalating challenges on the other hand. A structural pattern emerges. Solutions evolve in isolation. Systems remain fragmented. Improvements in one domain generate pressure in another. Economic acceleration aligns with ecological strain. Technological progress aligns with social fragmentation. The limitation does not sit in intelligence. The limitation sits in integration. Global systems still operate in separate domains: ecological, social, technological, governance, ethical, and etc. Systemic evolution requires, however, a shift in lens from maintenance of stability toward continuous regenerative transformation. A deeper layer defines the challenge: systemic misalignment. Many systems prioritize short-term performance over long-term viability. This logic spreads across institutions, economies, technologies, governance structures, and behavioral systems. Over time, misalignment generates systemic instability, viewed in climate disruption, inequality, biodiversity collapse, social fragmentation, mental health crisis, institutional inefficiency. These outcomes represent interconnected signals of structural imbalance. Each signal reflects the same root condition: loss of systemic coherence. Sustainable transformation requires alignment across every level: systems, sectors, disciplines, generations. Alignment sharpens resilience, and resilience enables regeneration. This research, therefore, moves beyond refinement of existing sustainability models. It introduces systemic reconfiguration. 5 strategic directions define this framework: regeneration as foundation, multi-level integration, collective hybrid intelligence, anticipatory governance, responsible innovation, and Society 6 defines systems that operate with awareness, adaptability, and regeneration at their core. An adaptive sustainability model emerges within Society 6 framework, and 4 core insights define its structure. First, renewing system architecture that supports continuous ecological restoration, social stability, and adaptive resilience. Second, a multi-level coherence empowers sustainability through alignment of individual, organizational, and planetary dynamics. Third, multi-intelligence governance integrates human, smart machine, ecological, social, ethical, and cultural intelligence into unified decision structures. The last, but not the least, adaptive action systems put in action foresight, collaboration, ethical innovation, and continuous learning. Sustainability evolves as a continuous process of adaptation and renewal. This work contributes across 3 dimensions: conceptual transformation that reframes sustainability as regeneration, system architecture integrates intelligence, governance, and multi-level dynamics into unified adaptive framework, practical pathways support governments, organizations, cities, businesses, and policymakers in designing resilient and equitable systems, and Society 6 introduces a directional framework for societal healthy evolution, a framework where progress aligns with collective well-being, resilience, and long-term flourishing. The future emerges from interconnected systems of action. Thinkers who question assumptions, innovators who redesign structures, institutions that evolve, communities that collaborate. Society 6 functions as an open invitation to co-create, to collaborate, to reimagine, to build systems that learn, that adapt, and regenerate. Global challenges share deep interconnection. Responses require shared intelligence and shared purpose. The future does not arrive passively. The future is designed together. Thank you.